Good afternoon, children. Today we will be doing a grammar topic. The topic is helping verbs or linking verbs. What are helping verbs? Helping verbs are words that help the main verb in a sentence. It helps to tell you the tense of the sentence. If it is in the present, that is now, or past tense, that means already over, or the future, that means that has yet to come. Children, I have already taught you about tenses, about now, already over, because when we did was and were, is, am and are, I explained to you what means present and what means already over. Some of the helping words that you have learned are am, is, are, was, and were. These words are verbs also. They are called linking verbs or helping verbs. Children, in the earlier lesson, I taught you what are verbs and how to identify them. Today we will learn how to identify helping verbs or linking verbs. Let us begin now to understand what are helping verbs. Children, if you look at this sentence and at the picture, the sentence reads, the lady swept the house. The lady swept the house. Now, first you have to find out what is the verb, the main verb. I told you earlier that a main verb tells you what the person or thing is doing. So in this sentence, it tells you that the lady is doing something. What is she doing? She is sweeping. So the past tense for sweeping is swept. So this is the main verb. Now to understand what is a helping verb, this sentence tells you the lady is sweeping the house. Now here the word sweeping is the main verb. But there is a word before sweeping that tells you that she is sweeping now. This sentence tells you she has already finished sweeping. But in this sentence, it tells you that the lady is sweeping now. There is a word ahead of it that tells you when the lady is sweeping. It is is. Is becomes the helping verb or the linking verb. Linking means, children, it is linking it to the main verb. And a helping verb always comes before the main verb. So here the helping verb is and the main verb is sweeping. Let's do another sentence. The boy ate an ice cream. Now this sentence tells you that the boy has finished eating the ice cream. But this sentence, the word ate tells you that it is already over and it is the main verb. Ate becomes the main verb. In this sentence, the boy is eating an ice cream. This sentence tells you he is eating now. Now, which is the main verb? Eating. And what the helping verb is? Is. So, is the helping verb and eating is the main verb. The helping verb always comes before the main verb. This sentence tells you what the girl is doing. I dance very nicely. This girl is saying, oh yeah, I dance very nicely. So what is the main verb here? dance. Now let's look at the next sentence. I am dancing very nicely. So the main verb is dancing. That means what the girl is doing. And which is the linking verb? Am. Am becomes the linking verb and dancing becomes the main verb. She picked up the books. Which is the main verb? What is the girl doing? She picked. So picked becomes the main verb. And in this sentence, she is picking up the books. So what is the girl doing? She is picking. So picking becomes the main verb and is becomes the helping verb or the linking verb. Now this sentence also tells us the stars twinkled in the sky. You can see there are many stars. Earlier we were doing sentences with only one person. Here there are many. So we put the stars twinkled in the sky. Now I'm changing the sentence. First tell me which is the main verb. Twinkled. In this sentence, the stars are twinkling in the sky. If you've noticed, children, in this sentence, I have put the word are. Are is for many. Because there are many stars, I use the word are. Now, which is the main verb? Twinkling. And what is the helping verb? Are. See, it came before the main verb. So, always the linking verb or the helping verb comes before the main verb. The butterflies flew around. Now here there are many butterflies. Which is the main verb? Flew. What is the butterfly doing? The butterfly is flying. The butterflies are flying. So flew is the main verb. And in this sentence, the butterflies are flying around. Which is the main verb? Flying. And the helping verb is are. They played in the snow. What are the children doing? They played. So the word played becomes the main verb. And in this sentence, they were playing in the snow. Again, first you must find the main verb, that is playing, and the helping verb, were. Now, why did I use were, children? Because there are many children, so they were playing, and the word were tells you that it has already over. She sang a song. Which is the main verb? Sang. She's doing something, singing. Now in this sentence, she was singing a song. Which is the main verb? Singing. The helping verb is was. Now we have learned about is, am, are, was, were. They are all helping verbs. There are many more helping verbs, children. But since you have only learnt about is, am, are, was and were, teacher has explained only those verbs to you. Children, now we will learn to pick out the helping verb and the main verb. She was reading a book. What is the main verb here? What is she doing? Reading. And the helping verb comes just before it. Was. They are standing up. What are they doing? Standing. Standing becomes the main verb. Are becomes the helping verb. He is sleeping. What is he doing? Main verb, sleeping. And what is just before the word sleeping? Is. Is the helping verb. We were cleaning the room. What are we doing? Cleaning. Cleaning becomes the main verb. Were becomes the helping verb. See children, it always comes before. I am riding a bike. What am I doing? Riding. Riding is the main verb. Am is the helping verb. Now children, whatever I have taught you today, when there is a helping verb and a main verb, it ends in ing. The main verb will end in ing. But if this helping verb was not there, the sentence would read as she read a book, not she reading a book. She read a book. So ing words come along with is, am, are, was and were with these helping verbs. So keep that in mind whenever you are writing a sentence. They are and you're using a verb after that, you have to put it with the ing. You cannot say they are stand up. They are standing up. So keep that in mind. An ing verb will always come with a helping verb before it. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood the topic of helping verbs.